Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into Digi International's latest earnings report for the fourth fiscal quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Digi International, a leader in IoT connectivity solutions, has just released their Q4 and full year 2024 results. There's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Digi International reported a net revenue of $105 million for the fourth fiscal quarter, which is a 6% decrease compared to last year. However, the company has shown impressive improvements in profitability. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. While the revenue saw a decline, the net income for the quarter doubled to $12 million from $6 million in the previous year. This resulted in an EPS of 32 cents, up from 17 cents. For the full year, revenue was $424 million, a 5% decrease, but the company managed to maintain a strong gross profit margin of 58.9%, up by 220 basis points.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the revenue dip, Digi International has improved its operational efficiencies. The gross profit margin increased significantly. What are the key factors driving this improvement?
The gross profit margin for Q4 was 61.1%, a 400 basis point increase. This was driven by a favorable sales mix and effective cost management. Adjusted EBITDA also rose by 5% to $26 million. Additionally, the company reduced its inventory levels significantly, which helped improve cash flow and strengthen the balance sheet.
And looking ahead, what does Digi's future outlook look like?
Digi is focusing on growing its annualized recurring revenue, which reached a record $116 million, up 9%. The company is also targeting a 10% ARR growth in fiscal 2025, with a flat revenue and adjusted EBITDA projection, indicating a strategic shift towards more stable, recurring revenue streams.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Digi's IoT products and solutions segments fare this quarter?
The IoT product segment saw a revenue decline to $79 million, primarily due to a decrease in one-time sales. However, the IoT solutions segment performed well, with revenue increasing to $26 million, driven by a rise in recurring revenue. The gross margin for IoT solutions also improved significantly to 74.7%, up 660 basis points.
What strategic initiatives is Digi focusing on to drive future growth?
Digi is prioritizing deleveraging and maintaining optimal inventory levels. Acquisitions remain a key focus, with an emphasis on scaling and increasing ARR. The company is also enhancing its product offerings, such as Digi 360, to make its solutions more accessible to customers.
CEO insights and market conditions. John, what insights did we get from Digi's leadership regarding their performance and market conditions?
CEO Ron Konezny expressed confidence in Digi's customer-centric solution strategy, despite the soft industrial economic conditions. The company has made significant progress in reducing its debt, with net outstanding debt down to $123.2 million. Additionally, interest expenses have decreased to $2.8 million from $6.3 million, reflecting effective debt management.
How is Digi positioning itself in the current market environment?
Digi is navigating through macroeconomic headwinds by focusing on its core strengths in IoT solutions. The company is leveraging its strong ARR growth and strategic initiatives to maintain resilience and capitalize on long-term opportunities in the IoT market.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's talk about the earnings per share. How did Digi's EPS compare to analyst expectations?
Digi reported an EPS of 32 cents for Q4, which fell short of the analyst forecast of 42 cents based on estimates from 3 analysts. However, the adjusted EPS was 52 remaining flat year over year. Looking ahead, Digi has provided guidance for Q1 2025 with an anticipated adjusted EPS range of 46 to 50.
What does this mean for investors?
While the EPS missed expectations, the company's strong adjusted EPS and strategic focus on ARR growth provide a positive outlook. Investors should consider the long-term potential of Digi's recurring revenue model and its strategic initiatives aimed at enhancing profitability.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Digi International has shown resilience in a challenging market with strong profitability and strategic initiatives aimed at long-term growth. John, any final thoughts?
Digi's focus on ARR and operational efficiencies positions it well for future growth. Despite the revenue decline, the company's strategic initiatives and strong balance sheet provide a solid foundation for investors looking at the IoT sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Digi International's performance in the comments below.